What's good, everybody? So I'm going to be showing you my daily bias for today, the trades I am looking out for today, and the thought process behind it. You guys already know how I like to do it. So we start from the daily time frame as always, because the daily time frame gives us a directional bias of what the market is doing generally, and you can already see that it's an obvious uptrend, right? Why? Because market has been making a series of highs, higher highs and higher lows. A higher high here, right? Then we have a higher high here, right? And then we have a higher high here, a minor higher high. Price took out this high, giving us a higher high here. And then we were expecting this high to be taken out to then continue the bullish order flow by giving us a higher high. But instead, price didn't do that, and it broke structure to the downside, giving like a retracement or signaling a change in sentiment or a change in market trend. So this is on the daily time frame. Then we break down to the 4-hour to see clearly what price is doing. So you guys can see this was the last high, right, before this sell started happening. Then price changed trend here. And remember what I said in the previous video, a change of character isn't valid yet until there's a corresponding break of structure. And what do we have here? A corresponding break of structure, another break of structure, and after every break of structure we expect a retracement, break of structure, retrace, break of structure, retrace, on and on, right? So this is what price is doing right now, currently reacting off a demand zone, a kind of demand zone here on the 4-hour time frame, a little demand zone. We don't know how long this is going to hold, but it's just, we are seeing a little bit of reaction from price there, right? And then why I marked this out, this red and this green box, this is our swing range. This was the daily break of structure. And after the daily break of structure, we want to see a pullback, a swing pullback, right? After the swing break of structure. So this was the high that led to this break of structure. You can say it's this high, but this was the higher side that led to this break of structure. So this is our swing range. And then this is our, equilibrium. This is our, equilibrium in our premium and discount levels. So we want to be looking to take this retracement. So this break of structure, what phase are we in the markets right now? We're in the retracement phase, where price would retrace to find supplies to continue the bearish move down. And then this is the nearest supply we can see sitting nicely in the premium levels. So we are looking to take price above. So this was the first change of character in this swing pullback retracement, this demand, and then price took out this high, signaling a change of character, starting the retracement. And then if I go down to the 1-hour time frame, you guys can see this beautiful setup that happened. Price signaled this first change of character, left this demand zone, came all the way, mitigated it, went high, created another demand here, mitigated it, and then now broke this other structure, giving us now a confirmed trend change because we have the corresponding break of structure. And then we also have this internal break of structure. So what are we looking at doing right now? We are looking to take market higher to premium levels before we can continue the sell to the downside, taking out this daily swing low, continuing the bearish order flow. And this is the setup I'm looking at on a Euro AUD, right? So price has given us this liquidity sweep, this internal break of structure, this break of structure here, and then this external break of structure. And then price was already coming close to this zone, but I was waiting for a liquidity to be engineered, because if there is no liquidity, you become the liquidity. So now what can we see here? This is a clear trend line liquidity right here that price just formed, and this is what I'm expecting for price to sweep this liquidity, mitigate me, and then I'm taking profits at the most recent high, which is this area here. So this is a high probability trade setup. But again, price doesn't have to do this. Price can just come here, give us a break immediately, and continue selling to the downside. But whatever price does, we just adapt to it, right? We are not here to predict the market. We are just here to analyze and move with price. So this is my bias on Euro AUD. I'm looking to take buys for a 1 to 7 risk to reward. Yeah, so this is my bias for EURAUD. Let me just download it and send to my Signal channel. All right, so thank you guys. See you in the next one.